solve the proportion. A proportion is when you have one fraction equaling another fraction. When you have that, the method is very simple. Crisscross applesauce. Take any two diagonals and multiply them together. Now, since down here you have b plus 9, I'm going to write it out so that I have b plus 9 in a parentheses so I remember to distribute. Okay, after you do one set of diagonals, you put down that equal sign, and then you multiply the other set of diagonals. So 6 times b plus 5, and again, I'm going to make sure I put b plus 5 in parentheses. So this is a little more involved than a previous problem that I have, a previous video, the video right before this, where I have to do distributive property twice, and I'm going to have b on both sides of the equal sign. So 4 times b is 4b. 4 times 9 is 36. That's going to equal 6 times b, which is 6b, and 6 times 5, which is 30. Now I have variables on both sides of the equal sign. So why don't I do this? Why don't I subtract 4b from both sides? Because I like to keep my variable positive. It's not necessary that you do it this way. I'm just doing it. Okay, try and stop me. That gives me 36 equals 2b plus 30. B is not by itself. I have 30 in the way and I have 2 in the way. So I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides first. Okay, cross that out. 36 minus 30, I'm going to write that up here. 36 minus 30 is 6. And then now 2b is all alone on the right side. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so I'll move that over here so I can move the b to the left. And then the end b is 3. And if you wanted to check your work, you could do 3 plus 9 is 12. And 6 over 12 is a half. Cool. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And 4 over 8 is a half. Cool. And a half is a half. Cool. And I'm done.